Climb, Maya. Climb, Mims. Climb. Way, come here. Now you're at the top. Wow, Mimi. Ah, baby. Allez, Jamai. Allez, Jamai. You want me to help you? Come, let me help you. Go on it again. Jamai, like this. Look. Jamai. No, it's the next side. Yes, the next time. Come back, Jamai, your time.
Allez.
Allez, mon Jim.
Ouais. Non. Un, deux, go!
Elle est où, Maya? Elle est là. With your baby, Mimi, with your baby. Ouais, bravo, allez, Jamai. Do it again, Mimi. Do it again. Elle a fait tout ça, le bébé? Allez, entre-toi. À l'envers? Ouais, super. Go on, my baby girl. Allez. Wow. Wow. Woo. You can do it. Go on, you can do it. Hi, Maya. You like it? We're at the obstacle park. The same park as the last video. But this is the obstacle part of it. And it's very nice. Bravo! Woo! Way! I made it to the bottom. This part of the park reminds me of the dinosaur park in East. Wow! Look at that, so scary.
No?
7 to 10 years old.
No? What do you think that need to be, yes? Wow, Jamai.
7 to 10 years old. I didn't go panic, go swing panic, people and pick me something. Come on, Jamai. Woo! Come on. Come, Maya. Cactus. Should find a little one. Come, Mims. Yeah, asking me how much, you know. I'm 5 years old. I just touched 5. Ooh. Yeah. Allez, Mimi. Allez, Naya. Wow, what happened to my car now? Allez, Nini. Allez, ma chérie. Exercise those legs and exercise. Push. Ouais, allez, Naya. Tourne, Maya, you got the cup. Boop. Okay, here comes the Jamaican. The Jamaican is on the lead. Allez, the Jamaican. Allez, Jamaica. Go, Jamaica win. And Jamaica is in the first leg. Allez, Jamaica. Allez, the Jamaican. Allez, super. Oh yeah, c'est Jamal. Allez, ouais, vamos. Wanna feel like what the animal name? Lion like up in a cage as a circus.
Yes, right.
You try to sit down or you stand up. Wow! Wow! Roll, Juma, roll, roll. You see, the head banana drop off. You see the head banana drop off. Squeak, 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 squeak.
Baby, you too big?
No, no, your daddy has a baby. Wow, here we go. You have more people behind us. But it's nice, huh? Row, row, row your boat gently down the street. You make us the donkey? Oh, they're so cute. Look at the ducks in the river. In the pond, not a river. Hello, little ducks. Hello, little ducks. Catching for the... It wasn't like 3-year-old to 5-year-old. And last but not least, inside the big blue whale. See my dog. Allez, Jamai! Mermaid. What not it? Go, Maya, go. Go, Maya, go. Go, Mimi, go. Inside the big blue whale. There's a hell of a rocket that a wheel too, you know. I'm trying to get the hold of the wheel in one picture, but it's kind of difficult. You know? Big, big whale. Allez, Naya. Allez, Jenoy. Go, Maya, go! Allez, Maya, vite, 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 vite! Oui, j'ai déjà vu ça. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to share, like, and subscribe. And see you next time.